Why should you invest in land as an investment? In this video, I'm going to show you 5 reasons why you should focus on land investment. The first reason is this: land investment is a stable investment. It's not like the stock market where you invest in stocks and the price change every hour or even every minute. It's really hard to capture the stock prices. Is hard to predict. Okay, so that's one reason. And beside that, if you want to get into house investment, I mean, the house market is saturated, completely saturated, and the prices fluctuate constantly. However, land is a stable investment. You can hold land for years and years without the price changing too often, right? So it's a pretty stable investment. That's reason number one. Reason number two, not everybody owns lands. And why uh, everybody do not own land? Because not everybody knows that land is a nice investment to get into. Because land is dirt, not everybody is interested in. Land investment has been known as one of the first type of investments in real estate, and you can do your research. So not everybody owns land, and the best investment that has known to be stable is land. So I highly encourage you to own land, even if you don't feel like getting into investment. Own land is you can have sense of ownership, right? The third reason why land investment is a good type of investment is there are multiple exit strategy. There are many things that you can do when you own land. First one, you can build on it, right? Most people buy land because they want to build houses on it. You can camp on your piece of land. You can do hunting. You can have your land for recreational purposes. You can enjoy your land pretty much. So that's the third reason. There's all kind of stuff that you can do with your land. You can even have a mobile home or a tiny house on your land. Isn't that amazing? So there are so many things that you can do with your land. You can actually also lease your land, because there are those electrical company who have some turbines or some and solar energy tools that they would like to install on a piece of land, but they can't find any property to do so. So this is a good way for you to have a monthly extra income, right? So this is something that for you to think about. Now, reason number four, you can enjoy your land for yourself. Okay, and I would already talk about it. Uh, there's so many things that you can do with it. Like I say, hunting, recreational purposes, um, even fishing. You can even do some fishing if you have some, if your land is not too far from your fishing location. So many things for you to do. You can even create a parking lot. If your land is close to a very busy area, you can have a parking lot, right? And then the last reason is less work and less maintenance. Well, if you own a house, you can agree with me that there's so much to do with a house. You have to clean the house, you have to maintain the house, you have um, to have contractors or even repairs constantly and all the time, right? But land is dirt. You don't need maintenance for your piece of land. And guess what? The tax is really cheap. The tax can range from $15 to $30 or $100 a month, a year, not a month, a year. So it's not that expensive. Okay, the maintenance is low maintenance and is pretty easy to maintain. Okay, so this were the 5 reasons why you should invest in land. Uh, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. Again, my name is Oscar and I own Greatland LLC. You can see the 2 pieces of land that I have so for sale. Um, really cheap land. I actually sold 2 pieces of land, one for 5,500, one for 40, another one for 4,500, and I'm having this piece of land in Cape Coral, Florida, where I invest the most. So if you like my channel, if you like this video, please feel free to subscribe, and I have a lot more tips about land investing coming up. Thank you very much and have a great day.